So very often I've wondered how long it takes people to do hand drill start to finish. And a lot of videos I see, you know, these people that they've been doing it for years upon years, and they get it just like that. I mean, I had struggled with it, and I'm like, how long does it take? How long does it take? So when I finally got it, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a video, and I'm just going to film myself doing hand drill from start to finish. And so you guys can kind of see how long it takes. So stay tuned, watch the video. Hopefully you'll see basically how long it takes. It's all, again, I'll say this later in the video, it's all dependent on your wood, how dry your wood is, what you're using, etc. Is what I think in many cases, or in most cases, but watch it, and hopefully to give you an idea of the process that I've been going through to get an ember for hand drill. I have a piece of dog fennel here on the tip of this river cane, and I have this wood here. I am not exactly sure what it is, but I went ahead and cut my divot, and I cut my notch, and I'm gonna go ahead and see how long this takes for me to do hand drill. So I'm just gonna warm up the board. Matter of fact, I need to go ahead and add my leaf as a catch underneath the board. I need to find something really quickly. Give me just a second. This is a grapevine leaf. I'll use it. Okay. Here we go. Just warming the board up. I'm using what they call a floating hand technique. That just keeps my hands in the same position while I heat up the board. Not applying really much pressure, just more or less twisting. Let's see if I can heat it up just a hair. Now applying a little more pressure. Okay, back to the floating hand technique. The biggest thing I found is to take your time. So I'm starting to see some smoke down there, and the key is when I do a run from here to here and I move my hands from down there to up top, when I see continuous smoke, then I know I'm making good progress. So I'm seeing smoke. I want to keep going. So I'm gonna count it out a few times. I'm gonna say, let's do maybe, I had decent smoke there. I'm gonna do, let's do 8. This will be 1. This will be 2. Not too much pressure. I don't want to drill through it. That's 3. Four. 5. 6. Seeing decent smoke. Not too much, but you know, okay. 7. Let's keep going. That was 8. That's 9, okay. Holding the smoke okay now. 10. Now let's apply a little more pressure. Go a little bit faster. And one more. One more. See if that did anything. I think I have an ember. Yes, I believe I have an ember. Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at. That took me about, well, you saw how long it took me. And there's an ember down here. Move this away, and you can see it smoking there. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is, let me see if I can go ahead, take this and move it over. So I think maybe I just kind of want to wait and let it do its thing here. I definitely don't want it to go out, so. Inside, I don't know if you can see. there it goes. Oh. So that was from hand drill. Now in the case of like, if I were making a fire, like to a big fire, obviously I would have all my sticks and everything like that prepared. So you guys can kind of see basically how long it took. It's really, a lot of it's dependent on the wood you have, because I've done it and it's taken me 11 minutes, you know. So it really just depends on, you know, on your wood and all that good stuff. So anywho, thanks for watching. God bless.